5 easy steps to get Canadian immigration. Step number 1. ECA, Education Credential Assessment. If your education was completed outside of Canada, then it is mandatory to complete an education credentials assessment. Completing an ECA can provide additional 150 points to your comprehensive ranking score. There are 5 companies who does ECA: Comparative Education Service, University of Toronto; ICAS, International Credential Assessment Services of Canada; ICAS, International Qualification Assessment Services; ICAS, International Credential Evaluation Service; WES, World Education Service. Assessment: all degrees, diplomas, doctorates of both primary and secondary applicants. Documents required: original transcripts in sealed envelope, copy of degree and diploma certificates. Step number 2. IELTS or TEF, Language Proficiency Tests. One of the main requirements for express entry is proof of language ability. You will need to take IELTS exam for proving your ability to communicate effectively in English language. You can also give a relevant French language test such as Test d'Evaluation de Français (TEF) to further improve your score. Test for English: IELTS General Test, CELPIP General Test. Test for French: TCF Canada, TEF Canada. Step number 3. Create a profile for express entry. You will need to create a profile for yourself online on the IRCC website in order to initiate the process for your express entry. The website is www.canada.ca. After the profile is successfully created online based on certain parameters like education, job experience, age, etc., you would score a certain number of points. You would receive an ITA invitation to apply from the Government of Canada when the cutoff score equals or goes below your CRS score. Step number 4. Document collection. Normally, it's a 60 days allotted to submit the document after receiving an ITA. However, due to COVID, IRCC has increased 90 days. Documents required are reference letters of work experience declared, education credentials assessment report, birth adoption certificate of children, photographs, specified format, marriage or divorce certificate, passport, scan of all pages, language test certificates, medical certificates, police certificate, proof of funds. Step number 5. Submitting application and visa stamping. Scan all the documents and upload it to the website within 60 days time frame. Due to COVID, time has increased to 90 days. Give all the information like past residences, travel history of last 10 years, pay the visa and PR application fee. Time allotted 30 days for visa stamping. After receiving confirmation email of permanent residency, single entry visa needs to be stamped on your passport. Little fee needs to be paid in the VFS center. Following are the visa fees. Processing time for after submitting application is around 1 to 6 months. Processing time for visa stamping is maximum 2 weeks. See you in Canada. Please subscribe this channel for latest updates.